Hello, this is how you remove the bad odor of your microwave. So simple. You just need water and vinegar. I put 6 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let's open it. Smells bad. So to remove that bad smell, good for 2 minutes. Allow to run it, and then we'll just have to wait until 100% it's going to remove the odor of your microwave. You have to do this every week of your microwave. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting. Hit the subscribe button.